Here I have XIAOMI 12S Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then slide power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and hold it until you enter Fastboot mode. So as you can see, letters saying Fastboot, which is the proof that we're in a Fastboot mode right now. If you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted, and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.